Hey everyone, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to find your XML sitemap in the Yoast SEO plugin. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you are in, head over to the left hand menu and hover your mouse over where it says Yoast SEO and then click on settings. Or either you can simply click on Yoast SEO and then you can click on settings. Now here you can either search here for sitemap and then click on XML sitemap. It will take you here. Or you can simply scroll down from here and come to the bottom and you will see XML sitemaps. First of all, make sure it's enabled. It's enabled for this site. To check the sitemap, click on View the XML sitemap. And you will see all your sitemaps: post sitemap, page sitemap, category sitemap, and author sitemap. If you have to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console or Bing Webmaster Tools, then you can either submit all these sitemaps or you can simply submit this URL. So this is how you can find the sitemap in the Yoast SEO plugin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.